In this video, I will demo how we use the MQTT. And first we need to download this file, this Python file from sub and pub from the eCampus, the IoT security class here. And I put this file in this folder, the home, my desktop, and IoT security MQTT. Let's see, we have two Python files here, the publisher and the subscriber. So let's see this file. I use the Visual Studio Code, and this code is very simple. We initialize an MQTT client, connect to the host, the local host here, and publish the test message to the try MQTT channel every 5 seconds. And we have a subscriber here. We also initialize MQTT client and some function when we handle the on connect event and on message event, and we put our client connect to the MQTT broker and run it in a loop forever. So we will need to install some program. Okay, let's install the Mosquito and the Mosquito client. Okay, it's already downloaded, and we need to run this Python file. We need to install the Python and the PyPy, and they are already installed. So now let's get some MQTT implementation on the Python, the PAHO-MQTT, and it's already installed. Let's test it by go to the Python 3 and import the MQTT. No, because okay, it's okay. Now let's get back to our files, and we also need to run the Wireshark, and I have already the Wireshark here. Wireshark sudo Wireshark. Because in our demo files we are running this file using the local host, so we will capture the package on the loopback interface. So select this one and start capturing. So we might want to filter out the package to investigate MQTT protocol only. So put it here. Now get back to our terminal, we have to tap here, and they are pointing to the same folder. So first run the subscriber, okay, you can see here some packet cutter, and take a look in the MQTT consequence. We have a subscriber. It will publish the connection with the broker following these steps. First, it will send a connect command here, and the broker will return a connect acknowledge, and the subscriber continue to send the subscribe request. For example, we send the request to subscribe the try MQTT channel, and the broker return a subscribe acknowledge, and the connection is established successfully, and continue to our publisher. Let's run this file publisher python 3 pub.py and run it. Okay, we see here the publisher send a connect command to the broker. I will stop this one, and they also send a publish message since our program publish the message immediately when we run the connect, and it needs a delay time for the broker to send the acknowledge here, and the publisher continue send out the message as we can see here. This will send the test message to the topic try MQTT every 5 seconds. But how about this? How about the disconnect request? We don't see it. Now let's try to stop it. Stop these two files and see in a Wireshark. We don't see any disconnect request. Why? Because in our symbol demo, we don't call any method to disconnect the connection. This is maybe unsafe because the connection will keep running in the background. We're not sure, so I think it's better for us to implement a handler here to safely disconnect the connection from subscriber to the broker or the publishers to the broker. So let's use this. Let's define a signal handler to handle this situation by using the signal and system library, and we define a signal handler. basic frame and define a global client so we can access this variable in our function and use disconnect renown the message safely disconnected. And okay, we want to resist the whole program when we press the Ctrl C. They will not show the keyboard interrupt here. And okay, register the signal hello to the system. Okay, and we do the same with the publisher. Okay, now run this to program again and see what happened. Okay, this established a new connection, and this one established the new connection, and now we safely disconnect the connection. Okay, the disconnect request is sent. Same to the publisher. Okay, and that's all about my investigation about the MQTT.